Today, you will learn how to create multiple boxes in Word. First, click on the Insert tab at the top. From there, choose Shapes, then select a rectangle. After that, draw your first box on the page. Now you'll see a border around the box and a background color inside it. To change these, click on the box, then open the Shape Format tab at the top. Click Shape Fill and choose the color you want, or select No Fill if you don't want any background color. Next, click Shape Outline and choose your preferred border color or no outline if you don't want a border. Once your box looks the way you want, click the Layout Options button and choose Inline with Text. Now the box will behave just like normal text. To create multiple boxes quickly, select the box and press Ctrl+C to copy it, then press Ctrl+V to paste as many copies as you need. Use the spacebar for small gaps, the Tab key for larger spacing, or press Enter to move the next box to a new line. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe.